Good morning, boys and girls. I'm going to go ahead and talk about phase two and what that should look like for you guys and the expectations that we have for you. So I'm going to go ahead and just start by going to Google Classroom. So once you go to Google Classroom, I have all you guys, but for math, if you're going to click on your Google Classroom, remember you don't want to look at the stream. That's really kind of confusing. So you want to go up here, click on classwork, and then you have all 4 days of your work are posted on Monday at 8 a.m. Now you have the option to do those one at a time, kind of like they're posted for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. There's no school on Fridays, Good Friday. Or if you have a lot of time today and you want to kind of knock one or two out, it's kind of however you want to do it, as long as by this Thursday, all these assignments have been completed and turned in. So if I click on the April 26th one, you're going to see the same directions that you should have seen when you looked at your fifth grade assignment for today, April 6th. But I kind of put it in here so you don't have to kind of go back and forth. And I've hyperlinked everything here, as well as if you, so those are all hyperlinked, as well as if you view the assignment. Now mine's going to look a little bit different than yours, so I'm going to kind of go back here. So you're going to pop up, this is what you're going to turn in. So it has April 6th, which is today, your learning target. I can graph points in the coordinate plane. Directions is you're going to post a picture of your work or put answers on the document. So it's kind of however you want to do it. And then these, your assignment is, this is going to be kind of like how to do it. So your lesson. And then these two right here, coordinate dot to dot, and the lemonade stand are going to be the English version. And for anyone who might need the Spanish version, we have the Spanish version right here. So you have the video you're going to watch, ordered pairs, which is hyperlinked, as well as the two actual items. So we have assignments, and then this is what you're supposed to complete. This part right here. Now, for Pacers, you're going to do that as well as you have an extra challenge. So you get to choose one activity from this menu here, which is also hyperlinked. And I just want to make sure we all know the stock market ends this Friday. So April 10th, stock market ends. So that's what you're going to go for math. Now, if I go out of here, and let's say I go back, and let's go back to classwork. We don't want to look at stream. And then I want to go to tomorrow's. It's going to be the same thing. I'm going to be able to view the assignment. And then it's going to have April 7th. And then it's going to have your directions. You're going to post a picture of your work or your answers. It has your lessons for the assignment, and then your two items that you're supposed to complete, and then the two items in Spanish, as well as a challenge for my pacer. So again, pace your expectations to complete the two assignments, as well as an additional assignment. Those additional assignment pacers are not that long, so I'm going to click on it just so you can kind of see what those kind of look like. So they're kind of short little questions that you get to do. So it's nothing too hard. And on-level friends, please feel more than welcome to also try those. So that's what math is going to look like. Let's go ahead and look at what our science lessons look like. So I'm just going to go block one. Again, never looking at stream, go straight to classwork. Let's open up today's lesson. It's going to have what you're doing, as well as the logs. So I'm going to click on the item you actually turn in is this document. So every day you should turn in a document for math and science. So it's your learning target, so I can explain how the sun and ocean interact with the water cycle. You have a couple of questions, and these are TIC-TAG and another video. And again, you can always get through all these items through Launchpad, and I've actually hyperlinked even Launchpad in here. So I'm trying to make it as easy as possible for you guys. So when you're doing it, so you're going to answer this question: what is the relationship? And then you should be able to answer that using these two resources, these two videos. And then let's go to tomorrow's, just so you can kind of see the different things you're doing. So it has your learning target and your directions. It also has it in the actual document. And then it says you're going to play the interactive water cycle, which is this game right here, interactive water cycle. What did you learn about the sun and its energy with the water cycle? And what role does the ocean play in the water cycle? Record your learning. So you can record yourself down here talking. You can record yourself down here just typing it up. Anyway, as long as I can see that you've actually played the game and watched the video, and then you can actually record yourself however you see fit. So that is this week. And again, those are all in your classes. You can work at any point in time. You will see that all the days are here in your blocks. So if you guys have any questions, make sure you are commenting either in the Google Classroom, or you can either text me in the Remind app or email me as well. We're going to hold 2 different Zoom meetings today. One is at 10 and one is at 12:30. Those are also posted. If you, again, look in your class, never look at class, go to stream. And those are both posted here as well. So you're more than welcome to join us to answer any questions you guys may have. I'm so excited that we started phase 2 and we get to start learning. Oh, I did want to show one more thing. I'm so sorry. On this is again going to be linked in Classroom, but if you scroll all the way to the bottom, this is what Ms. Costros is going to go over a little bit more, but I want to touch on it too. These are what we would call the optional learning board choice. So you have, these are going to be the Blood on the River, and these are hyperlinked for you. So you also have the option to log into iStation, and those are Miss Atkins reading, and then Miss Costros is going to take over on chapters 8 through, I'm not quite sure, but she's going to take over the other ones. And for math, this is actually a really cool game. It's an interactive game, so you kind of like get to move stuff around. It's a pretty cool one. I've actually, I purchased that on Teachers Pay Teachers. It's really cool. And then this is pretty cool too. It's another little just star coordinate graphing plane. And then Imagine Math is recommended for 1 hour per week. So however you want to do that. And then for science, there's a Water Cycle Khan Academy. This is actually pretty cool. It's a choice board water cycle. So if you click on that, it's a really cool interactive. You get to move stuff around. Generation Genius, I love them. They have a great little video here for science. And then if you want to do it out yourself, water cycle at home, I went ahead and put directions on how to make your own water cycle. We've actually seen a lot of water cycles happening here with all the rain we've been having, but you can actually draw this on a bag, post it in the window, and you'll be able to see it. And then for social studies, Ms. Costros is going to start posting Liberty Kids. It's a fan favorite. You kind of cut off there. But these are all hyperlinked, and it starts with episode 1. You'll love them. You'll start singing the intro song, which is awesome. But it has some great information there too. So this is definitely something I want you guys to make sure you're going to. And I'm going to hyperlink that inside Google Classroom as well. So this entire slideshow will be there. But this is what your parents see. So when your parents are like, did you do this and this and this? So they're seeing this. And this is the same thing we put in Google Classroom for you. So we just made it a little easier for you guys. The only thing you're gonna have to go to here for is that optional learning, and then as well as your specialist choice board, because we didn't put those in Google Classroom, but we will put this actual slide in Google Classroom, this whole PowerPoint. I hope that helps you guys. I know some of us weren't able to make those Zoom meetings, so I just wanted to hit on those items with you today. Missing everyone so much. Hopefully we can Zoom this week and see you. I'm going to be doing some small groups, so please be checking your Google Classroom every day. I'll try to also send a reminder out to kind of help everyone stay in contact. Okay, love you guys. Bye.